Okay, just to make it more clear about mapping Dropbox folder into Spider. Why mapping folders into Spider? Because you work with files, and of course, you must find them inside your machine. Spider does not work automatically into any cloud system, but it can work with a cloud system if you map your files into your cloud local system. I mean, Dropbox is a space where everything that you have in your computer is mirrored in a cloud. So everything you change here, the cloud copies it and keeps it upgraded in order to don't lose any your information. Okay, Dropbox, Open Drive, Google Drive starts mapping. In my case, I have a special folder for Spider, and all my classes and all my courses are here. And for Ghana, I call the third class in the year of 2025. But besides my own files, I create a space for you. In that space, I am keeping my files, and everybody should place files at the same root, not inside private folders. I mean, although you can see and use this space, creating your private folders as I do have mine private folder, you also have to drop your files exactly in the root of this common folder. If you keep your files inside your private folder as Joseph, as Mamani, I won't see. If I map in Spider the specific folder I gave you, I won't see it. Let's open project and window, document and project window, and understand how to point Spider to our specific folder. Add our common folder or our cooperative folder, our common folder, and look for into our HD hard drive, where is the common common space I shared with you, classroom. In my machine is called classroom. That's the space we share together. Once I find my common place, okay, open the name of our common folder, the address inside my machine, okay, that is the same, okay, because I have Ghana 2025 mapped here. Okay, this is our common folder. I see my files, and I see Joseph file, two files here. One file, another file, let's see here. Marcus, Joseph, Marcus, Joseph, Mamani. Now, but why I see all these files in Dropbox and I don't see it in my project and document windows? That's easy to answer, because I have to refresh, go into another folder and then come back. While I'm explaining how to use it, some people is dropping new files here. And now I see Joseph 1, 2, Mamani 1, folder, instead of saying my projects version 1 and my same projects version 2, you may say my projects version 1, save as, I will open it. It's open, yes. Mamani, save as version 2. Instead of creating two files, two different names, I just keep the name, I make some change on it, and save it as the same name, version 2. We're keeping a very interesting properties from Spider. The properties of keeping versions of the same name, same projects together. Mamani, try to think about it and eliminate your version 2 of the same projects. Just save it as same name, version 2. I will close, I will open again. Okay, my project. And the second version of it is here, attached to the same name. There are two different files here, but keeping the structure well kept, you see the same projects with two versions, instead of two versions of the same projects with a different name. You must use, you have to use it when you use Microsoft projects. It does not keep versions well documented. I will erase my contribution because I'm not allowed to work on Mamani's projects. Deleting it. I will keep it. I will delete, the file I've made. I will delete the version I invented here. I was not allowed to do that. So, just one version, Mamani second version, and I think my contribution disappeared from our common space. I will do it again. Same name, opening, save as, same name, version 2. It's the same projects, version 2. Okay, probably you see what I have done here, what I created here. But I'm not allowed to create anything damaging Mamani's work. So I will open project and document window, look for the version I have made today at 6:20, and second version, delete. Because it's open. Okay. I will close it before. No conflicts. Okay, second version, delete. Are you sure? Yes, I have done some bad things here. If you look to the left parts, my contribution disappeared. I really delete the file from our common space. So if you open at your machine the project and documents window, you won't see my second version, but Mamani's second version, and a different project name here, different project name. So Mamani keep your projects with the same name, but with a different version. Keep your second version in a proper way. Projects, save as, same name, version 2. And then delete your file by the project and document window. There's a backup here, because Spider makes some backups, temporary backups while you are working, in order to recover something you have you have lost when you update it or your changes. I think that is enough to understand the common place, the common folder, our general folder, and you may keep your personal folders inside it. There is no limits, no limited space to use. Close. Project windows, project and document windows work. Now attach it, link it to my common space. And of course, just to remember, if I use this procedure, I will be able to understand Mamani's work, Joseph's work, Rafael's work, or I may also create some special structure here. Another structure for Mamani, looking for Mamani's personal folder. And I will indent it to show that this is a special folder including our structure, like a portfolio and new projects. If I use Joseph folder, private folder, I will map it here like a Joseph access folder, mapping it, okay, under my general folder. But I do not intend to keep an eye on Joseph drafts work or Mamani previous work. I just want to see our work completed or checked by each of you. Let's make another one. Rafael, looking for Rafael private folder. Okay, in our classroom common space, we have 3 different private folders. Mamani does not exist or access denied. If I check on the left side here, I see that Mamani has decided to delete his private space. You are not forbidden to have yours private folders here. It's a question of your organization. But we are looking just to our common space. Okay? I think I was too long in this explanation, so it could be shorter. Rafael, Mamani, yes. The folder. Okay? Hide storage, Mamani. Okay? Show hidden storage. Okay? Mamani now opens here in a red color because it is hidden. It was not deleted. I did not delete it in my structure. But if I press again, hide storage, Mamani, hide storage, Spider will warn me, you are going to delete the storage, not the physical one, but the logical one here. Okay, I won't see any other mapped folder here, but from Mamani. Okay, please, next question.